नमस्कार, वेलकम टू ब्रेक टाइम वार्तालाप। इंडियन क्लासिकल डांस के कई फॉर्म्स हैं। कहते हैं कि 8 प्रकार के इंडियन क्लासिकल डांस हैं। उसी में से एक है ओडिसी डांस। ओडिसी डांस को माना जाता है कि ये सबसे पुराना आर्ट फॉर्म है और इसके एविडेंस पाए जाते हैं मंदिरों के आर्किटेक्चर में, जिसमें ओडिसी डांस के पोज भी पाए जाते हैं। तो आज हम आपको किसी ऐसे इंसान से मिलाने जा रहे हैं जो ओडिसी डांस को ग्लोबल लेवल पे लेके गए। और सबसे अनोखी बात यह है कि ओडिसी डांस परफॉर्म करते करते पीएचडी भी परस्यू करे, वो भी मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग। तो आइए मिलते हैं प्रगति प्रदर्शनी साहू से, जो ओडिशा को बिलोंग करती हैं और वो बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ करती हैं। शी इज अ पीएचडी एस्पिरेंट, शी इज परफॉर्मिंग ओडिसी डांस एट अ ग्लोबल लेवल, शी इज ऑल्सो अ मॉडल and she is working in one of the renowned engineering college as associate professor. So let's hear from Pragati about her journey.
A quick introduction.
To cross every hurdles of life and to keep moving ahead, my parents named me Pragati. Namaskar, I am Pragati Priyadarshini Sahu. I belong to the Silk City of Odisha, Baratpur.
Take us through your journey so far.
Coming from a family with traditional values, dance entered into my life by the interest of my parents. But later it turned into my hobby, and this hobby brought me trophies, appreciation and recognition. Due to studies, I have to suppress this interest. After completion of masters, I realized that I am leaving behind something me, and that is nothing but my dance. So after 11 years of gap, I again decided to learn dancing, and being associated with Guru Shri Saswat Joshi, currently I am performing throughout Odisha, India and abroad also. So being a Odissi trained dancer, I always wanted to promote my culture and tradition, and coming from a small town, I proudly representing my tradition throughout the globe.
So, how do your family contributed in this journey?
I belong to such family where I was taught to be self-dependent. But initially my parents acknowledged my dance journey and they wanted me to be a Odissi dancer, but not as mainstream occupation. And I must agree that they were correct. And at that time I was not matured enough to handle that one. So to appreciate and to respect my parents' decision, I continue my BTech studies, and after completion of my masters in engineering, my parents themselves, they asked me to choose the occupation whatever I wanted to be. So that words of my parents actually motivated me, and that makes me happy that they wanted me whatever I wanted to be. And for now I have chosen engineering for my earning, but I have the opportunity and space also that I can choose dance as a career.
So, how do you manage job and passion together?
Actually, I never confined my boundaries. So being an educationist and pursuing PhD, I also appreciate my co-curricular activities. I love to learn new things every day. So for all these tasks, I have distributed my time priority wise. If I have something for office work, then I am 100% dedicated towards that only during that period. If I have some performance or I have some dance event, then I have given enough time for my practice and dance only.
How did you came across modeling?
This modeling just introduced into my life during this lockdown only. While scrolling down my social handle, I just come across ad. I thought, why not to try on this? So For that, I have loosened some weight and I have to change my schedule, I have to change my diet, and I'm happy that I own the Global Universe second runner-up.
Did you came across any challenges?
There were some hurdles. To get a better future in Odissi dance, we need some financial support, like for your jewelry, for your costume, and for your makeup, and for traveling and to performing. And being a middle class family, my parents somehow managed to provide me all this, so I am fortunate enough. Some people were there who were asking my parents why you are sending your girl for performance and all. These are not a good field to showcase, or this is not a better career option. But my parents were so cooperative for me, and they encouraged me so, and they never appreciate such negative comments.
Any piece of advice to those who want to pursue dancing as career option?
I must say, practice makes a man perfect, and this is not a field that where we can predict that this much of time we need or that much of time makes you a perfect dancer. So, for being a trained dancer, you at least need 4 to 5 years of practice. To be a finest dancer, you need at least 3 hours of practice every day. And with that practice also we need to follow the 4 rules and 4 steps of dancing, and that is desire, determination, dedication, and devotion.
What do you have in mind for the near future?
As I am currently pursuing my PhD, so in near future I would definitely see myself as the doctorate holder in mechanical engineering. And beside that, being an Odissi dancer, I would like to promote my tradition and my dance form throughout the globe.
Would you like to give any message to our viewers?
This is my first ever collaboration with Breaktime Vartalap, and I'm glad to know that you are promoting women empowerment and showcasing the unknown stories of personalities who are doing such a great job for us, and you are showcasing the untold stories of them. On top of that, I would definitely request all the viewers to please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.